Dear students, you are welcome in the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is electron configuration. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to activate the bell to stay notified.
We have three objectives today. We will make electron configuration for atoms, we'll specify the element placement in the periodic table, and finally, we will write the lowest symbol of an atom. As we saw in the Explore section, we saw how can an atom be similar to our solar system. Today, we will take in deep the atom. I will start my lecture by the electron cloud. The electron cloud is made up of shells. Each shell is made up of subshells. In this lecture, we are not interested in the subshells. We are only interested in the shells. In each atom, we have 4 shells. They are known as the K shell, which holds a maximum amount of 2 electrons. The L shell holds 8 electrons. The M shell holds also 8 electrons. And finally, the N shell, which holds 2 electrons. The number of electrons in each atom, they are distributed on these shells. To make the electron configuration clear, we will make the following example. We have 3 atoms. The sodium atom that has atomic number of 11. The chlorine has atomic number of 17. And the potassium, it has atomic number of 19. In this example, we don't have the number of electrons. But previously we know that for a neutral atom, we have the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons, which is equal to the atomic number. So sodium, it has 11 electrons. We will distribute these 11 electrons on the shells. So 2 is taken by the K, 8 taken by the L, and what remains, which is 1 electron, is taken by M, K2, L8, M1. The chlorine atom, it has 17 electrons. 2 is taken by K, 8 taken by L, and what remains, which is the 7, is taken by the M, K2, L8, M7. The final one, which is potassium, it has 19 electrons. 2 is taken by K, 8 is taken by L, 8 is taken by M, and what remains, which is 1 electron, is taken by N. So K2, L8, M8, and 1. What's valence electron? Valence electron is the number of electrons in the last shell. We will take 3 examples. The first one, the sodium atom, K2, L8, M1. The last shell is M, and it has 1 electron, so the valence electron is 1. The chlorine atom, K2, L8, M7. The last shell is M, it has 7 electrons, so the valence electrons is 7. The final example, potassium, K2, L8, M8, and 1. The last shell is N, it has 1 electron, so the valence electron is 1. How can we specify the atom placement in the periodic table? Each atom has a location in the periodic table. This location can be specified using the valence electron. The valence electron helps specify in which group the element belongs. Second, the number of occupied shells. The number of occupied shells specify the row or the period the element belongs. Let's take an example. The chlorine atom, which has 17 electrons and has an electron configuration as this, K2, L8, M7, it has a valence electron of 7. Since the valence electron is 7, then it's in group 7. Since also it has 3 occupied shells, which are K, L, and M, then it's in period 3. Let's take another example. The potassium atom, having 19 electrons, K2, L8, M8, and 1. It has a valence electron of 1. Since the valence electron is 1, then it's in group 1. Since also it has 4 occupied shells, which are K, L, M, and N, then it's period 4. The final point in our lecture today is the lowest dot symbol. What's the lowest dot symbol? It is the chemical element symbol having dots as much as the valence electrons. So for example, the magnesium atom having electron configuration as this, K2, L8, M2, have valence electron of 2. So we write the magnesium symbol, Mg, and we'll start making dots as much as the valence electrons. So do 2 dots. So 1, 2. Let's take another example. The chlorine atom, K2, L8, M7. It has a valence electron of 7. So we write the chlorine symbol, Cl, and we write 7 dots clockwise or counterclockwise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Thanks for watching. If you like this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more, and don't forget to click the bell to get all updates.